Want to hide your followers and following on Instagram, but don't see any option for it? Don't skip this video, because I'll show you the only way people are actually doing this right now. So first, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top corner, then scroll down until you see Help and open it. Inside Help, tap Report a Problem. From there, select Report without shaking, then choose Include and Continue. You'll now see a text box. This part is important. Type something like, "My account is personal and I don't want people to see my followers or my following list." Once that's done, submit the report. After sending it, Instagram reviews your request. This usually takes around 24 to 48 hours. If approved, your following and follower list may no longer be visible to other users, especially on your personal account. Keep in mind, this doesn't work instantly and results can vary depending on Instagram's review. Also, this works best if your account is already set to private. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and I'll see you in the next one.